Trending Anniversary Cake 2021, a simple DIY anniversary arrangement at home with zero cost. Welcome to my channel Kala Style. To set canopy, first set the mattress on the floor. If not, take thick blanket which you have at home. Finally cover with the nice designed blanket to that. Now take sari or dupatta, start pleating. You can use 2 saris or 2 dupattas. Since I had no time, I have used only one, and which is very simple. Now divide the section into 2 equal halves. Leave the small portion and tie it with rubber band, or you can use rope. As you see, with this portion, just hang it with hook holder. Now arrange it properly. Make sure to bring the dupatta or sari to the corner, that is little front on both the sides. How much ever you spread the mattress into wider, it looks actually good. But this time I made it very small. Now complete on the other side too. So finally it looks like this. Now you can decorate with handmade cushions or ready-made cushions, LED lights, balloons, floating lamps, flower vase, etc. But here I used very few. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the upcoming interesting videos. So this is Trending Anniversary Cake 2021. Wow, it's time to celebrate. Don't forget to share this video to friends, family members. Subscribe my channel Kala Style. Bye bye.